Hi friends, this is Sarvajin here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today let us discuss about auto summary. So it will automatically summarize all the network to a classful network. So that is the purpose of BGP auto summary. And here is the architecture where I connected R1 and R2. So R1 has established an eBGP neighbor relationship with R2, right? Since both are in the different autonomous system number. So now let us configure the basic BGP neighbor relationship. So go to configuration mode, router, enable the routing protocol 1, and the neighbor is 192.168.12.1, right? 12.1, sorry, it is 1.2. So the neighbor is 1.2 and the remote autonomous system number value is 2. Similarly, go to R2 and configure the neighbor relationship. So router BGP2 and the neighbor is 192.168.1.1 and the remote autonomous system number value is 1, right? So I configure the BGP neighbor relationship, show IP BGP all summary for checking the summary, right? Neighbor relationship, show IP BGP all summary. So it's taking some time. Okay, now the neighbor is coming up. So now it has successfully established an eBGP neighbor relationship between R1 and R2, right? So now what we can do, there are two ways to advertise the prefix. If the auto summary option is disabled, then I have to advertise the network with the mask value. So now let us do the first option. So by default it will be showing as a disabled, right? Auto summary value will be disabled. So then what I have to do, if I want to advertise a network, I have to advertise with the mask value. For example, router BGP1. So this already I introduced a loopback address that is 1.1.1, right? I already advertised. So I'm going to specify with the mask value. Network 1.1.0. Let us advertise with the 24-bit mask. Mask is 255.255.255.0. So this is auto summary is disabled. Let us see. Show IP BGP. So it will going to advertise with the mask value 24-bit mask, right? So same way R2 also will receive the prefix show IP BGP. It is receiving the prefix. So what will happen if I'm enabling the auto summary? So what we can do, go to the configuration mode, router BGP1. Let us remove the network. Network is 1.1.1.0 and the mask is 255.255.255.0. So I'm going to advertise this as a classful network, right? Classful network is, so network will be 1.0.0.0. So I'm going to advertise this network as a classful network, and let us check whether the prefix is getting advertised or not in the BGP routing table. So still it is not getting advertised because the auto summary is disabled, right? Auto summary is disabled. So what I can do, go to the configuration mode and go to router BGP1, and now I am going to enable the auto summary. So initially it was disabled. So if it is auto summary is disabled, no auto summary, then I have to specify the network with the mask value. So here I am going to advertise all the network with a classful network. So in that case, I have to specify the auto summary. So what happened? It will automatically summarizes all the network in this range to a classful network. So now let us see the option show IP BGP. So you are able to see it is advertising as a classful network, and R2 also will receive the prefix show IP BGP. So it is receiving the prefix, right? Show IP BGP as the classful network 1.00. This is the next step 1.1. So that is the benefit of using auto summary. So there are two things we have to do. If I'm specifying if the auto summary is disabled, then I have to specify the network with the mask parameter. So if the auto summary, if I want to enable the auto summary, then I have to specify the classful network with auto summary. I have to enable it, right? So then only it will advertise all the network to a classful network. So the main purpose of auto summary in the general is it will summarizes all the network to a classful network. Assume there are several networks in this 1.1 range. So I can automatically summarize this into a manual network. So what happened? We can reduce the size of the routing table, right? So that is the main purpose of summarization. It will reduce the size of the routing table and it will advertise all the network into a single network to the outside world. If you want to not to show the entire network to the outside world, in that scenario, I can use the advertise the entire network to a single network. Thus, that is the main purpose of summarization. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.